Hello everyone, my name is Vishakha Kumari. My two team members are Kavita Kumari and Umme Salma. We are students of EC department of Ramgarh Engineering College. We have made a mini project based on Arduino programming, so we are here to present it. Our project is automatic room light controller using Arduino and PIR sensor. This is very useful project as you need not to worry about turning on and off the switches. Components used in this project are Arduino, a breadboard, light intensity sensor, register, PIR motion sensor, relay module, and a bulb. PIR sensor. This PIR sensor is used to connect the external devices to the circuit. This is relay module. Relay module allows Arduino or other microcontroller to connect big electrical loads. Now let's have a look to its circuit diagram. This is Arduino. This is PIR sensor. It has 3 pins. This pin is grounded. This VCC is used for plus 5 volt power supply, and out pin of relay module is connected to pin number 8 of Arduino. Pin number 9 of Arduino is connected to relay module. As you can see, this out pin of relay module is connected to the Arduino. When it senses any human activity in room, its out pin stays high. Pin number 9 is connected to relay module, and this pin will send the data to relay module. When data is sent to relay module, it becomes activated, and when it is activated, the lights close up. When no data is sent to relay module, it becomes deactivate and lights turned off. This is all about the circuit diagram. Now Kavita will explain the working of this project.
Thanks, Vishakha. Now let's understand how this system works. Initially, when there is no human movement, the PIR sensor does not detect any person, then its out pin stay low. As the person enters the room, the change in infrared radiation in the room is detected by the PIR sensor. As a result, the output pin of the PIR sensor become high. Since the data out of the PIR sensor is connected to digital pin 8 of the Arduino will active the relay by making pin low. This will turns on the light. The light stay turn on as long as the person movement in front of the sensor. This is all about making of room lighting system. Now Umesh Salma will explain conclusion and future scope in this project.
Thanks, Kavita. Now I'm here to explain the conclusion of this system. From this system, we can conclude that an approach is taken to control the room lights using various devices. As nowadays, enormous amount of energy is wasted in daily life. With the help of this system, the energy wastage can be preserved and can be contribute to large amount of power saving. This is all about the conclusion. The next slide is future scope. In this system, decisions are taken based on presence of human, but here we can also interface LDR along with PIR sensor for better working of the system. This system can also be interfaced with the Bluetooth module, so the whole system can be controlled from the mobile by just single click. It can be used in college lab, schools, bathroom, etc. That's all about our presentation. Thank you. The simulation part is explained by Vishakha Kumari.
Thank you, Ms. Salma. Now moving to the simulation part. This is the coding part of our simulation. And this is the circuit, how it is connected. When PIR sensor detects presence of human, then it will activate. When PIR sensor is activate, you can see light glows. When PIR sensor does not detect any human, the light turns off. This is all about our project. Thank you.